An IQ test. Which breed is the smartest? Finn, my German Shepherd Alsatian, has absolutely no interest, so he doesn't even want to participate. Okay, so the foxhound is really stupid. He opened the thing, but he didn't take the treat. So Party, in the end, is the smartest because he got the job done by somebody else, but he got the treat. And look, he's going to do it again. Well, hopefully he will learn. Now Finn is interested a bit. Party's just letting him work because they think, well, he's going to lift it again and then I can just take the treat. I think that's what they think. I heard Bruce, which is a foxhound, is going to take the treat this time. And of course he's not. So there you go. Party can take the treat. This is hilarious. Bruce! Bruce! Finn, you have no interest? What about you? You wouldn't lift one on your own? There you go. That's the smartest. It's official. Collie are the smartest breed. Official. See you.